Today we have Dr. D. Venkatramana with us, who is principal of Sanskruti College of Pharmacy. Sanskruti College of Pharmacy was founded in 2005 by St. Vincent Educational Society. It represents a rich tradition of excellence in technology-based education, a premier league institution among the affiliates of JNTUH College. Sanskruti College of Pharmacy is a reputed institution in the state of Telangana. The college follows all the norms and has required number of faculty in both ratio and cadre-wise. Sanskruti College of Pharmacy has emerged into a center of excellence. Sanskruti Pharmacy, Polytechnic, Engineering and Business Management institutions are located in pollution-free environment and natural surroundings at Kondapur village, Ghatsekar, Medachal district. It is 1 kilometer away from Hyderabad-Warangal highway nearby Ghatsekar and 18 kilometers from Secunderabad, Hyderabad, and connected by APSRTC bus routes from various prominent localities of Twin Cities. So without much ado, let's begin our interview with Dr. D. Venkatramana. Sir, you have held key positions at Education Institute throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Yeah, teaching basically is a noble profession. You can contribute for the betterment of society by grooming the students. Like, as the great people said, like any nation's future lies in classroom. I think, this has been said by none other than previous American President Barack Obama. So definitely a teacher has got a major role to play in developing the society and contributing significantly for the betterment of the world. And so definitely that is something which goes a long way than your personal interest. What you do for the society is long lasting than what you do for yourself. So, and another thing is like, you can get to see every year face faces. And when your alumni students come and meet you and they share your experiences and they remember you, that gives a lot of satisfaction, more than what you get in terms of monetary benefit. So if you come across a student who praises you for something, if he remembers and reminds that this is what you told me, and because of that I am in this position now, that gives a lot of pleasure, So yes, teaching is a noble profession, and we should always try to uphold values and not only teaching subject matters, but you can contribute positively by inculcating value systems. So it is a fascinating field according.
Being the principal of Sanskruti College of Pharmacy, Hyderabad, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Yeah, if I have to put it in one statement, I would like to involve each one of our staff members, like, collective decisions and shared responsibilities. Decisions should be taken collectively and should be discharged individually.
Being the principal of your college, how do you strategize about key programs and plans for marketing and administration of your college?
Yeah, we have got the required personnel in key positions. Like, there are people who look after admissions. There are people who plan for things like, scientific activities, conduct of scientific activities, holding some seminars and all. I generally pass on these responsibilities to head of the department, and they actively coordinate with us. And for us, there is a placement officer also, whose job is to arrange interviews with the companies, and they'll facilitate the placements of students. And recently we had an international conference wherein all the speakers are from University of California, and we had a nice session for 3 days, I guess. So everybody has appreciated our efforts, and people could gain something. If you expose the students and the knowledge seekers to those luminary people who are in the highest position in the education field in their domain, definitely the audience will get a lot of inspiration. So we would like to have regular meetings with top personalities in different fields. So that will definitely keep the students and the faculty interested in their job. And I believe in one quality that doing basic things perfectly is the order of the day. Like, so how best you do basic things is what it determines your success. It is not important, how much knowledge you possess, but how much you put that knowledge to application is important. Good management, they will encourage us and will strategize things in coordination with the management, will take their help and in discussing our responsibilities. So make sure that the standards are high.
The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying in your college?
Yes, definitely. There's a lot of difference between how it's conducted here and elsewhere. In our setup, this seems good. This fits best to our society. Like coming to the college regularly and students constantly being mentored by their mentors and encouraging them to do well in academics, in addition to other extracurricular activities. Like there should be overall development in students' performance, and for that we nurture students like parents, whatever the help that they need, we should attend. We should be able to live up to their expectations. And we give, I believe in giving complete freedom to the students. Like, they should not be having any hindrance or, fear to interact freely with the faculty. And the more exchange that takes place in the classroom, the better the student gets the knowledge. Means the faculties have to give enough space for the students to interact freely. Suppose if the students have fear to ask some doubt, means killing that doubt in his mind itself. So it is like unbroken cell. So if there is any doubt, it should be cleared. However much silly the doubt may be, but it should be clarified then and there itself. So we provide that kind of an atmosphere and ambience in our college.
How does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of the industry?
Yes. Pharmacy, as you know very well, like it focuses mainly on practical work in laboratory. So we closely monitor how to perform the experiment, and we provide best facilities so that they will be able to perform their experiments properly and completely. And we update our students with the latest advancements if there are any. Like we perform experiments on advanced equipment like HPLC, DLC, and IR spectroscopy, etc. So definitely we always strive to give the very best so that students will not get disappointed in the end. They should hold their head high and leave the college confidently and proudly.
Any insights into how your college could be more welcoming to the students of different economic backgrounds?
Yeah, we don't discriminate the students based on their economical background. Once they step into our college, we treat every student equally and uniformly. Okay, and it is like equal opportunity for all, and we don't discriminate, and we in fact encourage the students who are having meager or if they are economically poor, we try to help them by giving some free waivers and encouraging them, sponsoring some books, something like that.
What do you think should be the college's top priority for the next 10 years?
Yeah, we always try to excel in our field. We always try to be in the top position. People say getting to the top is not easy, but maintaining it is very difficult, right? So there's a stiff competition. Definitely, we'll try to improve the still existing conditions for betterment, and then we are already having NAAC accreditation, and sooner than later we will be applying for MBA also.
When you first came to Samskruti College of Pharmacy, Hyderabad, what was your vision for the college? Has it evolved over time, and how far along in implementing that vision are you?
Yes, there are a lot of changes that have happened under my principalship. We focused more on practical work, and we have made certain subtle changes in the academia so that students keep interested in the classwork. And the motto, see, when I stepped in, it was somewhat different, but after I have joined in this college 3 years back, our main motto has been, to make students ready for absorption into industry. Like, they are ready-made, there should be like, plug and play system. Like if anybody employs a student, they don't have to waste much time in training the students to deliver the responsibility. I think, our students will be able to catch up faster. Means, the objective is to prepare the ready-made students for immediate output in the companies. And our students are widely distributed, our senior students. They are already working in different companies in different fields. So definitely, yes, we are in the process of making a better students for the ready absorption into industry.
What do you like people to know about your college they may not know?
Yeah, most of the information is transparent. It is already posted, but definitely there is a personal care and a lot of emphasis is laid upon giving quality education. Most of the institutes these days are run for the money. It's not like that. There is a service attitude in addition to business aspects.
What do you see?
Only money matters. Other things also do matter.
What do you see as Samskruti College of Pharmacy, Hyderabad's greatest strength?
Commitment, sincerity, and determination.
Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
I can give definitely one thing, that is, these students have to believe in themselves. Every student is having potential, there's no doubt about it, regardless of their economic or previous educational background. Only the thing is, they have to believe that they can do well. Actually, they are limited by their thoughts. There is no dearth of talent in students. But the thing is, they should get interested in study. They should get interested in the activity that they are doing. Once they get interested, I don't think that there is any stopping. So, if students realize their strength, what is their weakness and what is their strength, if they know that, I think, they can skyrocket to achieve their goal.
What are some plans that you are currently designing for Samskruti College of Pharmacy, International Affairs, or for its students?
Yeah, we are planning to construct a separate building for pharmacy with better equipment and better space. And maybe sooner than later, we are going to expand in terms of building capability that is on the card. Soon it will be realized.
How do you tend to establish a healthy relationship and environment in your college?
Yeah, be caring towards students and give them freedom, and you should give an impression to the students that they are also like a member in your family. The total college is like a family. Whoever is little deviates from the set disciplinary thing, they should be dealt softly and smoothly, and definitely students will come to our turn. So that way, I think we don't have any problem, and once they come here and they automatically become disciplined.
We are almost at the end of the interview, sir. Any other message you would like to give to the students?
Yeah, give the very best that you can, come what may. And I would like to quote a famous quote said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He said, you have to dream, and the dreams are those which makes you sleepless. Dreams are not those which you get during sleep. So dream, and if you dream, they'll make you sleepless, and when you're sleepless, definitely you'll realize your goals and they'll become reality as a bright byproduct. So that message I want to give. Dream and make sure that those dreams will be reality one day.
That's all, folks. We had Dr. Venkatramana with us, who has given a very great message to the aspiring students and youth that dream till you become sleepless. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us and sharing this message with us.